If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another video. This one I am super excited to introduce, as it is the newest Pin It Up Patterns wallet. Now, as you all know, Pin It Up Patterns is a collaboration between myself and Anna of Galaxy Customs. We're a pattern designing team. We haven't released a pattern since the Victory Bag back in September, so we're super excited to be introducing this pattern. Now, this pattern is actually a twofer. There are two separate wallets in this pattern. I will show you what they are. We have the David wallet, which is named for my late husband, David. This was his dream wallet. So he kind of helped design this one once upon a time. I had it all drawn out and everything, but just hadn't gotten it down on paper. So in loving memory of my beloved husband, David, we just had to go ahead and get his dream wallet on paper so we could share with everybody. Now, the other one that's included in the pattern is the Darrell wallet. This is named for, yes, you guessed it, Anna's husband, Darrell. And this is a minimalist style wallet. So yeah, so it's got 2 card slots and a place for money. It's just super small, perfect for anybody that doesn't like to carry a full-size wallet. The David wallet is a little bit larger. It has 2 slip pockets on the exterior. It has a money clip on the interior. Super cheap to buy on Amazon. That's where I got mine. It's got 6 card slots down each side, as well as 2 more slip pockets. So in such a small wallet, you can really carry a lot of it. Now, if you're watching this, I do have 2 separate videos for the David and the Darrell wallet. The intro is the same, so if you switch over to the next video and you're getting this video again, you're not having deja vu. I'm just introducing them at the same time, but again, they are completely separate videos. So material I use in these. So these are the 2 I have made in the tutorials coming up. So this is another one. So all my cork I get from Cork Supply. Money clips again are just on Amazon. I do use Giardini edge paint, which I get from Emmeline Bags. That is the base coat, the color, and I used a matte top coat, which I think looks super, super sharp, especially for a men's wallet when they don't want to have the shiny. Yeah, it's a super quick sew. These are going to be great for markets, I am sure. So yeah, to get the pattern, it is that link down below. You'll find it on the Galaxy Customs website. Just look for the Pin It Up Patterns tab. And how about we get to making the David wallet, or if you're watching the other video, the Darrell wallet. Anyways, catch you guys on the other side. You're going to need 2 main panel A's, a front card slot B, and a middle card slot C. I'm going to go ahead and do the optional edge painting along the tops of all of these pieces, and I'm going to be using 3 coats of Giardini base coat, 1 coat of color, and I'm going to do a matte top coat. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to top stitch along the top of all of these pieces. That's that all done. Now what you're going to do is on one of your main panels here, you're going to go ahead and put some double-sided tape. You can also use glue along the 2 straight edges and also along the bottom curved edge. I've gone ahead and I've marked as per the pattern down from the top on the inside main card slot panel. I'm taking my middle card slot, I'm adding it right up to that line we drew, and I'm just going to top stitch just through the bottom of that card slot there. Next, I'm going to take the front card slot piece like so. I'm going to put some double-sided tape or glue along the 2 short straight sides. And then I'm going to line this up with the bottom of that main panel that we put that middle card slot on, lining up the sides and the bottom the best we can, and securing that with the tape or the glue. Make sure it's nice and straight to your liking. And then we're going to take the 2 main panels here, remove the paper from the double-sided tape, and we're going to put these wrong sides together like so. Next, we're going to go ahead and we're going to stitch down the sides, the bottom, and up the other side, leaving the top open so we have a place for our receipts and our bills. That's what that looks like done. Make sure your cards fit in there good, which mine do. And then all you really need to do is you can trim up any hangover of any raw edges. You want a nice and even edge here, especially if you are going to edge paint. It just gives a really nice and clean edge to be applying that edge coat. And then after that, all you have to do is go ahead and apply your edge coat if you're going to be doing that. And again, I'm going to end up using 3 coats of base, 1 coat of color, and then I'm going to use my matte top coat again. And that's it. That's all, you guys. That is how fast the Darrell Minimalist wallet is. And it is so cute. And we're done. All right. That's it. That's all. So depending on which video you're watching, we either made the David wallet or the Darrell wallet. I hope you really enjoyed this 2-for pattern. We are super excited to have this launched out into the wild for all of you. So make sure you post your David and your Darrell wallets on the Pin It Up Patterns Facebook showing group and in my Facebook group as well for the Baines Bags and Handicrafts Co. Again, you're not seeing deja vu. The intro and outro for the David and the Darrell wallets are exactly the same. But yeah, it's a 2-for. Anyways, until the next one, make sure you've liked, subscribed, and I'll catch you guys again. Bye-bye.